Let's take a moment for meditation just to become comfortable right where we are, just to relax into this moment for our practice. Grateful to step apart for a while, to move into the consciousness of renewal and receiving, of letting go and being available, so fully available to Spirit, that there is no thing in the way, no thought in the way, no energy in the way, no feeling in the way. That we allow the moment of meditation to become the way. That we allow all of these human experiences to invite us into a deeper walk with the divine. Using the breath, we slow down. Breathing in, breathing out. Remembering there is no place to go to get more God. God is already given. Giving of itself in every moment. All Godness is here. We are not separate. We are living, swimming, breathing, moving, thinking in a sea of God. So we let that thought have its way within our being. As we slow the mind and create stillness in the body. A quiet mind follows a still body. We breathe into all that is in the sacred silence. Simply notice the stillness and lean in. Let it hold you. Notice its hold on you. We allow this stillness to carry us in such deep gratitude for the space that it creates in the mind, in the field of emotions, in the heart. Grateful to the source of our being. We give thanks. In gratitude for the lives we've been given, and the time and the form we give this life. Namaste.